In this video, I'm going to show you how to move an object in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea and zoom into the area where your object is located by holding Alt on your keyboard and using the scroll wheel. This helps you clearly see the object you want to reposition. For example, you might have a sticky notes pad on a table and want to move it to a different position in the scene. Before moving anything, you need to properly select the object. On the left side of your screen, right-click on the selection tool icon to reveal the available selection tools. If you choose the object selection tool, you can simply draw a box around the object, and Photopea will automatically detect and select it. If you prefer more control, select the quick selection tool and click and drag over the object to manually select it. If your canvas contains only one main object, you can use the magic wand tool and then click on the Select Subject option from the top bar to automatically select the object. For more complex shapes, right-click on the lasso tool and choose either the polygonal lasso tool for straight edges or the regular lasso tool to manually draw around the object for a more precise selection. Once your object is selected using any of these methods, switch to the Move tool from the left toolbar. Then click and drag the selected object to the new position where you want it placed. Adjust it carefully until it looks natural in its new location. After positioning the object, go to the Select menu at the top of the screen and click on Deselect to remove the active selection outline. You will now notice a transparent empty space left behind where the object was originally placed. To fix this area, select the Healing Brush tool from the left toolbar. If you do not see it immediately, right-click on the tool slot to find it in the hidden menu. Once selected, adjust the brush size from the top settings bar if needed. Then, hold Alt on your keyboard and click on an area close to the empty space that has a similar color or texture. This samples the background. After sampling, click and paint over the transparent area to blend it naturally with the surrounding background. Continue sampling and brushing until the empty space is completely filled and looks seamless. Once everything blends properly, your object will be successfully repositioned without any visible gaps. And this is how you can move an object in Photopea.